Bonjour, bonjour, bonjour. I am going to explain straight away how you can get better in French pronunciation. This is something I hear all the time. The same mistake of the sound, the same mistake of pronunciation, but also the same struggle and frustration. I decided to create this video to guide you through a few steps and explain how French pronunciation works. So first, it doesn't matter what level you are. Either you're a beginner, advanced, intermediate, you may still struggle with some words and pronunciation. So note one thing, a lot of time people try to push an emphasis on the accent. The accent is not such a big deal when you speak French or any other language. What matters is how you find fluidity in your words, in your sentences, and how your pronunciation relates to that. So at the end, if you cannot pronounce the R very well or perfectly, it's okay as long as you can make a whole sentence with smoothness. Imagine like speaking French like with waves. So here, first, I want to ask if you have ever learned the vowels. Let's see together if you can pronounce them well. A, E, I, O, U. Je répète. A, E, I, O, U. Do you see how my mouth moves differently according to each vowel? So the mistake I hear often is the difference between E and U. E, U. De, du. Often my students even tell me, I don't hear the difference. Well, we do. And it's because in your own language, if you're a native English speaker, you do not have this sound, these consonants. So everything is new and your mouth have never been trained to create this sound. It's the same for us. If tonight or tomorrow I start to learn Japanese, or even when I started to learn English, there's a lot of sounds and words that sound completely different for me. So let's keep going. E, U. De, du. Very few of my students can actually pronounce du clearly. And it seems like the letter U in French can be a challenge for a lot of you. So let's work on this one. My technique here is to imagine that there is an arrow coming out of your mouth. U, U. The arrow is going up. U. Whereas when I pronounce E, the arrow is going straight forward. E. I'm gonna turn. E, E, U, U. I hope that makes sense. If you want to know more about the pronunciation tips and technique, please join my next masterclass in March. This masterclass will cover in 90 minutes about getting the perfect pronunciation, tips and tricks, perfectioning the vowels. I will help you and guide you through this session. The masterclass is only limited to 20 people per session. Please check the link in the bio to register now with a discount, and I hope to see you there. Until then, practice well and à bientôt. Merci. Au revoir.